Good morning, everyone. Um, I'm going to wait for a few minutes till everyone hops on. I'm going to be. I know I'm a little early for a live, but I wanted to open the box. I can't wait to see what is in there because, as I said, since with COVID, there is like so much delays with USPS and FedEx. So usually with my significant seller status, they even try to ship it within 2 days because of the limited availability of staff and even for the shipping. It is now taking little bit delay, like more than 3 to 4 days even to just ship. And since it's my what is it, like a biggest order of this month, I wanted to have everything in one go. I know the what is that, like the new hair care got released few days back before I ordered, and also the day I ordered, the new men's hair balm has arrived. So all these are there in the box I'm going to open. And for my today's look, I have done Star Garnet, which is one of my favorite. Star Garnet with Stella Glass. That's the one I'm wearing. And for my eye, this is also a nice to try because I was having a gray kind of black combination. Then I thought I'll skip onyx. So what I did is I just did slate. I was surprised actually because I thought slate will not show up on my skin tone, but I really like it because it's really subtle. So I did a slate with a little bit of pewter shimmer and smoked shimmer. So I just included the shimmer in the middle of the eye, and that's how I did it. And so as I said, you can claim anything from this box, and anything in stock is included too. So whatever you can claim, you you can claim it along with it. Like, I mean, as long as the product is in stock with me, that is included in that. And I hope you have seen Purple Rain's announcement. Purple Rain is going to go, which is really a sad part because that is one of my favorite shade in that category because it's a matte and it's a warm matte, and not only that, it is closer to my all-time favorite Kiss for a Cause, whereas Kiss for a Cause is more of a pink tone. This one is obviously has a light pink purple tone to it, but some colors you will really love it because it goes on very smooth. At the same time, the staying power sometimes differs from one color to other. Obviously it's based on your own pH balance and what you eat that day, like because for example, if you don't what is it, like moisture gloss in the middle, and if you are in the early stage, they may start breaking out. Hi Niveda, good morning. I know you are a early riser like me. Thank you for hopping on the live. I know you guys finish it at your night, but for me, I am still a morning person. I haven't got accustomed to doing anything on the evening. Like for me, my energy level is way up in the morning. Then I think after 4, it slowly drops. And the curve ends before 7:30. I'll be done for the day. So that is the reason I always do my lives or even getting ready in the morning. So my package, it was like more than 14 lbs, I think. So it's huge. So I'm going to start opening it, and I'm going to just see what is in there. My husband was already waiting on the hair gel. He asked me, I said, no, I'm going to open the box only in the live. So he said, okay, fine, then I will get it later. Yes. Oh. hope I can hold on to it. Oh, they have included the what is that insert about 10 Tuesdays alone. I sit after 11 because that's the only day I stay up after 10, I should say, because I have my team meeting Zoom call at 10 o'clock in night. So because my upline is in Utah, so it's her 8. So usually our team from all over meets once a week, Zoom call at 10 EST. So that's the only day I stay up. I think usually it runs around 11:30. So that's the one. It's nice they sent out the new insert. So it has that new products in the what to say, like that is got recently introduced. So it has the hair gel, the hair balm, grooming hair balm, which is going to be introduced, and also it has the retinol information here. Seriously, the retinol is really amazing. As I said, I'm using only 2 days a week, but I could see the results already. And it also has the new hairline info too, because I think they are working on the new beauty book. The new beauty book gets updated every 3 months. So I think I have the previous one here. So usually if you see, the old beauty book will have the info on the hair thickening and hair volumizing shampoo, which I all talked about last week. So it already has all the hair info. So what they do is they keep updating the file. I usually share either the the hardcover book if you have ordered something, or I, at least even if it is a first timer, or if you want to refer it when you are outside, I usually send the PDF form of it. So they are working on the new one, since many new products have been introduced. So they have sent out the the insert that's been working on. This will be really nice because as I say, it will have all the ingredients listed and also the use of each ingredient, because that makes easy for me to share when I do it. So each product will have its important ingredient that is that is considered to accomplish the goal it's mentioned. For example, in this case, it is the healthy looking, softening and smooth, whereas in the thickening and volumizing shampoo, if you see, Kepixel will be the main ingredient. Kepixel is the one which is helps for the hair growth. Even in our lash sense mascara, the all three, the 3-in-1 lash primer, the non-waterproof and the waterproof, all three have Kepixel, which is the ingredient that is helpful for your hair growth actually. Let me see what's on top. And here it is. So this month also I have achieved the significant Sana seller status. So thank you so much everyone, because I was able to do it only when I was able to achieve my target goal the previous month. That way I'll be restocking and be able to do this. So thank you so much. So far this is the second month of the Sanajan's seminar year. So it ends with March, so it started in April. So my goal for this year is to get significant Sana seller status for all 12 months. Once you do, your name will be displayed in the seminar. That's my goal for this year. And being Aarti, it is going to be the first name when they display all over US names. So I'm excited to do that. So thank you so much. And I was able to do so far 2 months, because last year I didn't do all 12. I was able to do only from September. I did it, and the first thing that comes up is obviously the men's collection. It's nicely done in this travel bag. So it's already packed well for me to send out. So whoever has ordered this will go for them. So it comes with the shaving cream, the facial moisturizer. If you are going out, seriously, you can use this as your sunscreen too, because it has broad spectrum sunscreen SPF 20, which is really good. So you can, even if you are going out, you can use this actually. So, and it also comes with the cleanser. You can see all of them are nice sized, and they have also included the lip balm in the bag itself, so I don't have to do anything. I just can easily pack it, and it comes with the free bag, and also the lip balm was free when you order all three together. So that itself is like a $20 value, and it is one of my best sellers. So you can, if you are still thinking of Father's Day gift, make sure to grab it, because as I said, you still get free shipping, and also you get the free bag to go with it, and also the lip balm to go. So that's the first product here. Let me move on. What else is there? Yes, the new shampoo, conditioner. Where is the shampoo? Yes, it's here. Yeah, it's the same size as the volumizing shampoo. You all swiped me clean with the hair recovery shampoo when I showed my results. There was like tons of questions I was able to answer, and they all appreciated me when they were able to see the growth. Like, I mean, as I said, usually I take my picture in the with a selfie, so sometimes it's hard to take because I don't have a full size mirror. Either I have to take it in my bathroom. I have one here, but still it's really hard because the one here is not adjusted to my height. Either I have to tilt my head or something, so I will never be able to capture it properly. Since my husband was home, I was able to show up how long it is. That too with COVID, I didn't go for any haircuts or any hair treatments or anything, and I don't use any hairstyling tools or any other things apart from the shampoo and conditioner here. Seriously, as I say, I wanted to do like oil massage or all those stuff, but frankly speaking, I don't have patience or time. Usually I'll say weekends I will oil it, and my husband is very he's so consistent on that. He will do for himself and also for my son. I will say, okay, by Saturday or Sunday I will do around afternoon. I will do definitely for lunch or something, but once I finish cooking and doing the regular laundry and other stuff, I'll be tired. So seriously, I won't I haven't applied oil or soaked in for a long time. So the only thing I do is the shampoo, conditioner and the serum. And if I have a get ready that day, I will do at least a hair dryer, but otherwise most of the time I do only air drying. I know my hairstylist is here. She is here, Shana. You know, sometimes even when she does styling or something, I immediately tell her, like, even whatever you do, I'm going to just go and just put a pony or something. So I don't do much of the styling or straightening, all those stuff. So even the picture last time, everybody asked, did you use any hair straightener to do? I have one that I got for Thanksgiving Day, but hardly I have used it. Like, I mean, it's not like a high-end one. I just got it on sale, but seriously, I don't have patience to do any of those stuff. So that's the reason I mention it here too, because it's what it is. And the one thing you need to know is, as I said, if you have hair fall issue, or the feeling like your volume is reducing, obviously the hair recovery will be your choice. For me, as I've been using it from October 2018 when it got released, so now you can see my volume is nice. So what I am planning is, I'm planning to mix. I am not going to skip completely, because I still want to have the volume. That is always my first priority. So I am going to do, like, since I do twice, maybe I will do the new shampoo for the what is it, like, because this is going to control the frizziness and also make it really shine and soft and supple. So I'm going to switch between and use. That's what I am planning. I think, what is the size difference? They both are equal size, even though, yeah, they both are equal size, but price wise there is a difference. This one is, I think, 40, but whereas this is the whole line is different. I mean, even though we offer two shampoo lines, the price was different for both of them. This one is 40, this one is 35. So let me go ahead and take the conditioner too. So it's the same with the conditioner too. So you can see this is the volumizing conditioner, which will be little bluish, whereas this one will be yellow and white, like a cream beige. So this is the one with the new conditioner. So the price difference applies here too. I think this is 40 and I think this is 30. Let me confirm. Yeah, the hair replenish is only 35 and 35. So here the conditioner is also different, but all of them are same size. So here you can see this is the hair volumizing and thickening one, whereas this is the new conditioner and shampoo. I'm really excited to start this because I heard really good reviews so far. People who had dry scalp, I have seen them say that it really helped, because even the other one I have told, like, it will control the frizziness. So they said this really helps. So the same way, the serum, I have sold so many of these serum, because as I said, this helps even for dandruff. That's what I heard. I think even this may help, because obviously it's going to help nourish the scalp. That way that you won't have any scaling or something. So obviously they both may help. Here also the price difference is there. I think this is 60 and this is 55, if I'm not wrong. Yes, this is 55. So I do have both the sets now. So this is the hair thickening and hair serum one, I mean volumizing one. If you have hair fall, if you have thinning issues, obviously this will be the go-to. You can use this as thrice a week. I wash my hair only twice a week, but you can still use this one thrice. You can use it, apply to wet or dry in your scalp for the problem areas where it is thinning, and it is not going to be sticky at all. And this will really help for the growth, because this has the Capixel, I think. That's the one that's going to help the hair growth. So if you are having hair fall issues, then obviously this will be your choice, because I have seen my own results with my husband. He had a problem area, and I see now, I mean, it's completely gone. So I'm very happy about the results. So if you are interested, like in how to say, like frizziness and other things, obviously the new one will really help. I'm going to start using it from this week onwards, so I can share the results with you guys, and I can even show the pictures. Now you have seen me, I mean, now you have seen my hair before it, so you all obviously can see the difference. So I have stocked up quite a few of them. because I know this is obviously one of the top seller in my group. So I have always had so many of the hair products in my stock, because that's one thing you can use and really appreciate it, because as I said, you will slowly start adjusting to this new routine, and you won't even need to wash every single day, because I heard many people try washing it, because they used to have really oily hair follicles or something. I heard it gets improved with this line. So you can give a try, and as you know, this all these products comes with a 100% money back guarantee. So you have nothing to lose. You can still have 100% confidence on it. And the hair balm is here. And as it mentions, it's it's really nice and thick actually. Do you see it? Yeah, it's nice and thick. And I heard it's not oily at all. Oh, it's more like a balm. I think it will melt on your hand once you do. Yeah, see, this is the one everybody was talking about, because they said, see, most of the hair balms will be like so sticky that you have to wash your hand after that. But this one is not at all sticky. Like it includes to our sunscreen too. So that's the nice thing about Sanagens. None of the products will be oily or sticky. You can see it's got completely absorbed, and I heard many people use it on their own hair to control the frizziness and all. I have to give it a try, because I know I always have flyaways. So this is the new grooming hair balm. This one is for $25. So even this makes a nice gift for your men, because this they can use it whether the days they wash it or even without it. Rub a small amount of product between hands. Can be applied to damp or dry hair, including facial hair, style as desired. So as you know, my husband and all now has beard all the time, so he has been always asking me for this one. And next, I stocked up on the basic supplies obviously. So I have more hair balms, and the new what is this? I forgot the name. The lemonade, cherry lemonade, and one more gloss. The new gloss is here. Cherry lemonade and watermelon. So that comes with this mermaid bag. So these two are glosses, not lip sense. These two are full-size glosses from the new limited edition ones, and I heard they are flavored. So scented glosses they are. So let me do a swatch on first impression on sometimes this week. So this one I stocked up on. Where is it? Yeah, I have a few of those, because I thought summer this will be really nice even for kids, so they can use it. And I think this one is the Fiesta Shadow Sense collection. I somehow missed it. I ordered the Fiesta Lip Sense collection, which has the habanero, dahlia, and Fiesta glass. But I completely forgot. Like, I was in the assumption that I ordered it already. But when I was doing the after the smoky neutral collection, the next week I was thinking like this one was already there, but it was not. Like, I was like, oh my god, I didn't order this. So this is the Fiesta Shadow Sense collection. So it came with 3 colors. I heard everyone talk about this rosa, because it's a peach shade, and also the lime shimmer. Everyone was like waving about. Let me swatch it for you. Let's see. Do you see it? it's completely different from warm gold shimmer. That's what I heard. See, when it comes to shadow sense, see, for example, you can use this as your highlighter. If you are like how you use pearlizer, you can just use this one and it will blend and it will give you that soft glow that you need. And not only that, you can pretty much use it as anything you want, like a blush, highlighter, all these colors. I think this will even work for tiara is like close to natural tan. So if you are a little darker than me, obviously even this will work as your concealer. So that is the one I heard so good about this Rosa, because I think I haven't had any peach shadows so far. So again, this one you can use as a blush, and being an orange shade, you can even use it as your what is it, like you can use it as the color correction, I think. So that's the benefit about shadow sense, and it makes it travel easy. So it is not going to break like the traditional one where you carry and it breaks even if it falls or hits something. So again, when you buy as a collection, it comes with 3 colors, and I will make a eye tutorial with these for sure in the coming weeks. And when you order, it comes with this bag, and anytime when it comes to the collection, and unless mentioned, you can order them separately too, so you don't need to buy as a collection. So I have extra few of them I have ordered. And my what is that, like, I mean, my basic skincare set was ordered, I think, twice or thrice in the last month. Like, I keep adding them again and again, and it got sold out. So this time I ordered few of the basic skincare set too. So if you are new to skincare and if you don't know where to start, always start the beauty book, because the beauty book has been laid very nicely. That way you know where to start. So if you see the book, the very first thing they start is obviously the basic skincare set. So you need to start with your basic skincare. This is like a must have. So the next pages slowly starts with nice to have, but these are like must have step for everybody. So you need to have your cleanser and day and night. Wash it twice and just apply it and see it after a month or 2. Then you will understand how beneficial these products are, because the Sanaplex complex will obviously make the difference once you start using it twice. So just pick a cleanser of your choice and just add the products based on your skin type, and I will always help you to narrow down and what you need to do. And what else is here? Yeah, my all-time favorite climate control is there. This is one product I cannot live with, because it is like such a wonderful product with hyaluronic acid. Whoever have used climate control, they know and they will vouch for it, because it is so hydrating. Moisturizing is different from hydrating. Moisturizing is just you are doing it at the skin level, whereas when you do hydrate, it means you are going deeper into cellular level. So climate control is has hyaluronic acid, which is really good for anti-aging. And once you use it with vitamin C, you will see your skin improve so much. So if you don't have climate control, you need to give it a try, because once you use it, you will see the not only the improvements, and also see how hydrated your skin feels. It is like the days you are dehydrated to drinking like at least 2 liters of water for like 1 month or 2 months, your health will slowly start improving. The same way, once you start using climate control, you will see your skin improves so much on that. And The blush is here. As I said, the blush was sold out so many times. Everybody else, even in the team call yesterday, I think it hasn't reached Canada and all, because with Senegen's products, they all are manufactured in US and then they got shipped to whether it's Canada, Mexico, UK, New Zealand, Australia, wherever it is, it gets manufactured only in US and then get shipped. So they didn't get blush yet, so they were like so stressing about it. They were like, we didn't have one, like, I mean, so we all were like, you need to come across border to buy it. So because see, even I am a distributor in US, so that means I can sell only all over the US. I cannot sell anywhere outside. So that's the one. And here is the new Chana Serum C. Do you see the beads? It is like it is so pretty in the bottle. They have reformulated recently, and the beads have activated vitamin C, stabilized vitamin C in them. So they get popped only when you press it. So there are only 2 companies that have vitamin C encapsulated that is active, because even though if the bottle says vitamin C, they aren't active. So far around the world only there are 2 companies that know to do it. So Senegen's is one of them. It is like it's like a playful thing. Like, it looks so pretty in the bottle. But as I said, when it comes to the benefits, when you include a vitamin C that is activated only when you pump, you will see the difference. It is like it may sting a bit because you have never had activated vitamin C in your system. So but your skin will slowly get adjusted to it. Vitamin C will help with all environmental damage, and it will help with collagen production, and it will bring back the elasticity, and doing it with climate control will make a huge difference. So what I do is I pump climate control in my hand, and I just pump just half a pump of vitamin C, and just I mix it in my hand and then apply all over. I do it both day and night. That's one thing I don't miss out, unless the day I use the new retinol. The day I use retinol serum, that's the night I don't use vitamin C, because already this has vitamin A, which is really high. So those days I just use skincare, the climate control alone, because I don't want my skin to feel dry. But so far I didn't have any of those kind. And every time Senegen sends me a hand sanitizer, this time whoever is going to order, I'm going to add in one of those packages so I can pass it forward. So Senegen has come up with the hand sanitizer to help during this COVID situation. So they send one in every order of the from the distributors. So that's really nice. That way we can have it before we do the packaging and stuff. So I'm going to pass it forward. Whoever is going to order before midnight, I'm going to pick one person and they're going to have this hand sanitizer, because it's not for sale. This is company has sent us as a good reward. So I'm going to give it back, and because I have received with all my orders recently, so I use it in everywhere. Like both cars have and Krish has it on wherever he works out, and so I'm going to pass this hand sanitizer to some person. Hi Divya, good morning. I know you might be in meeting. Thank you so much for hopping on. I'm just going to almost finish it. I was like in the last, I've showed whatever is there. So the last one is I have stocked upon all the, I have stocked upon all the samples. Because my first one is going anytime this week or next week. So I am planning to send at least 5 5 days of supplies. That's what I have it in mind for the people who are trying for the Skincare Pro certification, who are helping me with that. So if you are one of them, you will receive it. And as I said, I am planning to do at least like a 5-day worth of supply. So that's the one I'm planning. So I have all restocked the resurfacer one. It was completely gone. Yes, Divya. I don't know which one you got. For me, I think so far, few of them are doesn't have much fragrance to it. I think I had one which was like a tropical one. This one I haven't opened because I wanted to send it to someone. So it may be or may not be. I don't know. But I had both types. Like if I remember, I had one with mint, one with one was having a like a eucalyptus minty flavor, one was with tropical flavor, and one was like nothing. So it was like a combination. I had few popping up in those kind of stuff. Krish doesn't love minty ones, so I didn't give him. I think he picked the one which doesn't have much flavor. So those are the ones. So these are the ones I wanted to show for today. So as I said, the sale is going to be up till midnight today. That's what I'm going to keep it, because even if you watch replay, you will still entitled to do that. And you can pretty much grab anything in stock, not only from this box. You can pretty much ask me anything, and if it is in stock, then that's included in that. So I wanted to do even one where I can show you my either the regular skincare sets, or else only lip scents and like the makeup stuff alone, like the lip scents, the eye pencils, glosses, all those stuff. I may hop on one day and do that. That way you can see what I have it in stock, and I can even swatch it. For example, if you are asking a color, I can swatch it immediately from the one I have it here. And that's all for today. And if you are hopping on to pick the purple rain, make sure to do it, because I have very last few of them which I am going to be done with. I'm really sad about it. We have already raised a petition to bring the color back. Hope they listen to that and bring it to the permanent line, or let's hope for the best. So that's all for today. Have a wonderful day. See you all soon with the new content. Bye.